Top 4 hottest automatic car wash machine of 2026. If you are planning to open a car wash or want to upgrade your existing ones in 2026, you definitely need to understand the top 4 hottest car wash machine currently available. In this video, Go&Go will share with you the top 4 car wash machine that are considered the hottest in 2026. These are 4 solutions that many car washes, garages, and car care centers have been chosen recently. Each machine is suitable for the different business model, location, and specific area. If you are preparing to open a car wash or are currently operating one and want to upgrade, this content will help you avoid making the wrong investment and wasting unnecessary money. The first machine that Go&Go wants to start is the automatic car wash machine. This can be considered the most basic and popular type machine currently available. Many small car washes and mini garages. When transitioning from manual washing to machine washing, start with this configuration. The machine operating principle is quite simple but effective. When the car moves into position, the machine automatically sprays water from screw with a soft brush and rinse clean water along the entire car body. The entire process takes only about 8 to 10 minutes per car. The biggest advantage of this type of car washing machine is the relatively low initial investment cost, simple installation, and minimal space requirement. Only one person is needed to operate it, allowing the soft to wash car continuously and efficiently. After washing, the car body and window are very clean and shiny, meeting the need of customer driving 4 to 7-seater cars in regional area. However, Go&Go also want to frankly share that this type of machine can handle the undercarriage, wheel and wheel width. Therefore, if your area is not too muddy and customer are primarily interested in body work, cleaning, this is still a very reasonable option to start with in 2026. Taking it longer to a higher level, this is the automatic body and undercarriage washing machine. Go&Go observation over the past few years show that customers are increasingly interested in undercarriage cleaning, especially for high mileage vehicles, family cars, or service vehicles. The undercarriage is very prone to muck and grease buildup. Yes, it is difficult to thoroughly clean with conventional hand washes. The body and undercarriage washing machine are equipped with a high-pressure undercarriage spray system. When a vehicle enters, sensor automatically detects it and simultaneously activates the body and undercarriage washing process. As a result, the vehicle is cleaned more easily from top to bottom. From a business perspective, this type of machine significantly improves service quality for car owners. Clean a car means more satisfied customer, and you can even increase the washing price compared to regular washes while still receiving positive feedback. This type of machine is particularly suitable for medium-sized car washes located near urban area, industrial zone, or area with a stable volume of vehicle. The third type of machine is an automatic car wash and undercarriage washer. This represents a high-tech car wash model currently in use. The biggest difference lies in its high-capacity drying system. After the car is thoroughly washes both the body and undercarriage, the machine automatically dries the entire surface, virtually eliminating the need for manual wipe by start. The washing, spraying, and drying process is completely automatic and synchronized, taking only about 7 to 10 minutes per car. As the result, car washes are less dependent on manual labor. The quality of car washing is consistently high and productivity is significantly increased, simultaneously reaching 100 to 150 cars per day. Based on Go&Go practical experience, this machine is very suitable for professional car care center, large car washes, or modern aiming for systematic and long-term operation in 2026. And finally, the more comprehensive solution in 2026, especially in the Central Highland, an area with restaurant. This is the full option car wash kit including body wash, undercarriage spray, wheel scrubbing and drying. Anyone who has lived or done business in the Central Highland will certainly understand the unique characteristics and restaurants that adhere extremely heavily to the rim, wheel well, and undercarriage of the car. Hand washing is time-consuming, laborious, and often does not clean thoroughly. The full option wash kit is designed to handle this difficult area. The high-pressure undercarriage spray system helps dislodge submerged and dirt. The deep cleaning will scrubber clean the rim area often missed by regular washing, and the powerful drying system helps the car dry quickly, minimizing dirt accumulation immediately after washing. From a business perspective, this solution makes a huge difference. Car washes can sell premium wash bucket At the higher price, the customer are still willing to pay because the car are truly clean and worth the money. For the Central Highland, mountainous area and place with many unpaved roads. According to Go&Go, competition will become increasingly difficult in 2026 if this configuration is not available. In short, in 2026, the choice of car wash equipment shouldn't be based on trend, but rather on business model and regional characteristics. Small businesses with moderate capital can start with a body washer. Established business wanting to improve service quality should consider a body and undercarriage washer. Larger business will also benefit. For a professional setup, an automatic body and undercarriage washing and drying system is ideal, especially in areas with resources like the Central Highland. A full option car wash system is almost a mandatory choice if you want to operate long term and gain a competitive advantage. If you are looking for a suitable car wash solution for 2026, Go&Go not only provide machinery, but also offer consulting on model, design tailored to your specific space, and long-term technical support. You can visit the Go&Go workshop to see the demo machine firsthand before deciding to invest. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this content helpful, please like and share. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more knowledge about car washing technology in the future.